Hey there, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands. I can only assume that if you're here, you're looking to see something cool, so I might as well oblige you by jumping into this box right here and taking a look at something that we like to call the Mandarin. The Mandarin is one of our made-to-order rings. When you open up the box inside, you're greeted with this card, welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Inside, we've got some customer service information, a QR code for people that like to take pictures and not type things, and then also some pictures letting you know how to, put stuff on the internet, pictures specifically, and how to tag them to social media, and I'm taking a long time to say that. Anyway, post some pictures. We want to see them. Inside, there we have it, the Mandarin. This is a very unique ring, awesome coloration. This is handcrafted Damascus steel with an orange Cerakote coating, meaning that it is crazy durable. It comes in at 8 millimeters wide with a domed design. Super cool. It's kind of like wearing a chrome tiger on your finger. So, if you're a regular Joe looking for something a little exotic, maybe you get one of these and, you could call yourself Joe Exotic. I actually can't recommend that second part. But I can recommend getting this band because it also comes with this, which is our black silicone band. Great option, whether handling tigers or not. And we've also got some special promotional offers as those become available, people that we like to partner with that bring you some great deals, because that's what we like to do here at Manly Bands. We like tigers and we like great deals. So thanks for stopping by and checking out the Mandarin.